everyone, very good evening. So, if you are new on my channel, I'm Ankita Maura and I'm a food blogger. So, today I'm going to show you very interesting thing because I think most of Indians they like this dish. So, and this is also my one of the most favorite dish. So, today I'm exploring Matka Cha Cafe in Thane, and this shop is also nearby station opposite platform number 1, and so it has opened in Thane. They have completed their 3 years, but their rear branch they opened I think it has been 5-6 year almost they have completed, and one of the best matka chai I will say. And why I like that Matka Chaha Cafe, because see what happens usually we drink that tea and coffee in that plastic cup, but here what is the special thing in about their shop, like they sell that tea in that kulhad, and in kulhad that taste is hit very different. And so one time I drank, so I liked it most. So I thought, I will show you guys also, and you will like. I know if you are a tea lover. I know most of the Indians, they are a tea lover, and this breakfast is really very amazing. Oh my God! So today I'm taking you there, and it opens, I think, at morning and till 10 or 9 they open their shop. So come with me, I will show you, and if you're new on my channel, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let's go. So while going there, I found this very cute garden and no one is here. And can you see that crow and pigeon? They are eating fruits. Looks so wow. They are looking so cute. See? And it's very peace. No one is here. Look, it's very silent. Wow. Very silent. Can you see? So let's go. So hey all of you, I reached here to Matka Cha Cafe, and this is exactly nearby this station. Wait, I will show you. This is exactly Thane station. Can you see how much crowd is there? Now I will show you their menu. So matka chai, bun maska and burger, and downside cold coffee, milkshake, fries, momos. So you can order anything whatever you like. And here is some of their special dish, I would say. Badam milkshake, Oreo milkshake, mango milkshake and kokum juice. So you will get each and everything here, whatever you like. So let's give the order. I am giving my order, Kullad chai, and I have decided bun maska. So I will show you. I want मुझे एक कुल्हड़ वाली चाय दे देना और बन मस्का. कंटेंट बेटर ना. So he is preparing my meal. It's looking so delicious. My mouth is getting water. Wow, it's too delicious. And he is adding some butter. It's looking yum. taking my first bite of that bun maska, and it's too good. We had it, lots of water. I'm taking my first bite. It's yum. It's amazing. And that sweetness that in that bun maska. So there is some red stuff inside, and when he added that butter, so it's looking too delicious. Like it's yum. You should have this here. I'm telling you, if you are living in Dhami, you should come here. It's not too much far. And let me take my Kullar chai. Let me take one sip. It's too hot, so I will take slowly. See, that tea is normal, like how we make at home. Why that? Which taste is coming? That pulva. Because usually we eat in that plastic cup. So in that plastic, that taste doesn't come. But in that cooler, that taste is really very nice, I would say. If you are new on my channel, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. I will see you soon in the next video, next video. Till then, take care and bye.